Good morning, all. This is Tom here, just with a little update on my 3D printing projects. And I organized all my stuff here on my new console table for my printing devices for the 3D printer and the cure station and the wash station. And that one bin there is dirty IPA, and then I have a couple of these containers. That's dirty IPA in there, and then I can strain them out and reuse it. Right now it's cleaning my build plate and my scraper. I let them sit in there for a couple hours and then I dry them off, and it pretty much cleans everything. So it's a pretty good process. And there's my case of IPA. It's 99%. But here's what I've been making. I made bumpers for my service tracks, and that should be enough to do what I need to do. I'm going to paint them. I have to figure out what color to paint them yet. That's one on a track there, and there's two test printouts I made. I'm going to paint them up too and stick them on a layout somewhere. And also making my BD20 holders now, thanks to Jim Tedesco sending me the STL file for this. And also there's my first light it holder. That's for the NCE light its, and that's how I control all my signals. And the B20 holders, and Jim made me up this one too as STL file, so now I have that. I can print as many as I need. And then this one little thing here is a little cylinder, and these, what I do is I put these where where I soldered on the wires for the feeders. You always going, where the heck's the feeder line? And then I said I'm going to make up some kind of marker. So I made up this marker, and then I glued it on. And I'll take you over to the layout and show you what I'm talking about. So I made up 100 of those and laid them all around. And we'll go over to the layout. Alexa, train room on.
Okay.
And so, as an example, right there, I have feeder wire soldered. Because what I did was I painted all the solders brown, and now it's hard to see where they are. Now that one there, I didn't get a chance to do it yet because I haven't gone around and do them all, but on the original layouts I painted all the solder joints brown. Now it was hard to determine. Sometimes I had to solder the joiners, and I thought, oh, there's a wire there, but then wasn't actually the wire. I could go underneath the layout and figure out where it is, and then I just put a marker there. So I put markers all around. There's one there, one there, one there, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna, those things there make it easier to determine where you have a feeder. So I did those, and the BD20 holders. Got them, and I used them up there. I got all those BD20s now mounted, and got one over there on the other side of that board. You can't see it. So I gotta neaten up these wires yet, but I still, a lot of these wires are still for the turntable, which I'm waiting for my roundhouse to come. And the Helix is up to level 9, and I'm working on level 10 today. But so it's nice out. I'm going to go out and cut grass and do some things outside today. I'll come back in here later on tonight and do that. I made all the roadbed pieces. I glued on the clamps for the next level. And then we have like 4 more levels to go up until I'm at the top. So hopefully this weekend I'll get them all done. And if I have enough track, I ordered a bunch of track, and we'll see. Like over there, there's the rest of the roadbed pieces. And there's my boxes of track down there. And these here levels 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, got them all glued in place. These here are now glued. These here up here are loose because I have to fill in, put in all the road beds. I don't glue them all until I get them all down. So that's it. So a little update on that, and showing you where I put those markers. And over here in my office, this is Heath's trains. I'm going to take him into the city Tuesday for him. So I got a bunch of boxes there to load up in my car and drive him into the city. So that's all. And we'll see you all in the next video. So everybody enjoy their weekend. This is Tom, and everybody take care. Thanks. Bye.